Creating a case in the NetSuite Customer Center. The process formerly known as putting in a ticket in the Online Support Center is now called creating a case in the NetSuite Customer Center. To begin, navigate from your home screen to the Contact Support link near the middle of the page. This link opens a to-be-generated case form. Notice the pre-populated contact information. It may take a moment to update, but your contact information associated with your account will auto-populate here. If you need to choose an alternative primary contact, you may do so with this drop-down menu. The default status for all new cases is not started. We recommend keeping this status as it indicates to our support team that the triage process has not occurred for the case yet. Once your case is submitted and progress is made, you'll see the status update. Then you can choose the priority of your case. If your issue is affecting your day-to-day workflow, you may choose emergency priority. All other cases will typically be medium or low priority, and you can think of high priority as expedited. Should you need to access cases or tickets from the Online Support Center, click this link to be navigated to the historical cases. In incident information, select the department and the product most relevant to your issue as best you can. Then provide written details about your case. The option to include files such as screenshots will be available after submitting the case. We'll cover attaching files to a case in a separate video. There is a notice here that file upload is available after case is submitted. By default, communication will be conducted via email. If you prefer phone call, check this box and ensure that your preferred phone number is listed above. Then hit Submit. After submitting your case, you will be directed to a list of all of your open cases, and you will receive an email confirming that the case has successfully been submitted.